another subscription box unboxing video. Yes, and today I will share a brand new subscription box with all of you guys. Lately, Euphorbia Box had sent me their February month subscription box. Also informed me that their month of February subscription box is really amazing because it consists of product almost worth rupees 1200. So I was like, God, I need to find that out. I will share all the goodies I have received in the February month Euphorbia box, and if you want to know all about that, then please keep on watching. The box itself comes in this sort of a cardboard packaging which looks white in color, and I feel it is not something extremely static but quite good in terms of its package and price and everything. So the price of the Euphorbia box is only rupees 248, and there is an additional shipping charge of rupees 12, which is still, I feel, very affordable. How the inside of the box look like: there is this card, and below this there are all the product, and I think they organize everything in the box in really nice way, and I really like that as a first time user. So I will take you through the cards first because there are two cards as I can see, and of course it's going to give you some information. The first thing I see is actually a discount coupon for a website called Magic Dust, which is supposed to be a website for skincare and hair care products, and no matter which product you pick up, you will get a discount of 10% on your purchase. So that is really amazing. I will surely check that out. Card inform you about the box, the theme of the month and everything. So the February theme is I love lipstick, and it is a lipstick special box. So the very first thing which I see in the box is the Magic Dust Organic Fresh and Natural Glow Face Pack, and price of the product is rupees 450. Yes, it is a full size product. This is actually a chocolate face pack, and you can see it is all chocolate inside, and it looks really yummy. Chocolate is supposed to be really nourishing for your skin and gives you a very nice glow and texture. So I really cannot wait to try this out. Now the next things I see is actually jewelry. This is actually a nose pin, and you guys know how much I love wearing nose pin. I always wear a nose ring, but this is a clip-on nose pin which is really amazing because if someone do not have a piercing, they can also wear it, which I feel is really nice of them because everyone do not have a nose piercing, but still they can try. And this looks like a really nice and oxidized nose pin. Also, this Nien Nose Pin is priced at rupees 150. Next thing are the exciting part are two lipsticks. Now the first product I can see is a 7C matte lipstick, and this is a 7C matte lipstick. It is a red matte lipstick which is priced at rupees 300. So if you order the box, you are gonna get the same red color. I think it has a very classy packaging with this gold thing going on all over, and the packaging definitely looks really nice. These matte lipsticks have a really beautiful pigmentation which I absolutely love, as you can see, and yes, it is a matte lipstick, so it will be slightly drying on your lips. Overall, lipstick is really lightweight. It has a very faint fragrance which disappears after some time. The product I see is another La Matte lipstick, and this is the Matte Look Super Matte lipstick in shade number 14. Matte Look Matte lipstick is priced at rupees 350, and so shade number 14 for the ML Matte lipstick is a very pretty pink shade, and I really love the color. It's a very feminine color, everyday lipstick shade. It is a matte lipstick, so I felt it is slightly drying on your lips, and you need to press slightly harder to get the lipstick gliding smoothly, but the overall texture is extremely light, and the lipstick has a very beautiful pigmentation, as you can see on my lips yourself. So overall, I think I really like the lipstick, and yes, I love how it looks on my lips. You will get a random shade for the ML Matte Me, but for I really love the box because I feel it is a really good deal because you get 4 products, full size product with this box, which is super amazing by paying only rupees 248. What not to like? I will provide all the details about Euphorbia box in the description box below, so make sure that you click on the description box to check out the details, visit their website, and you can order your own box from their website directly. And yeah, that is pretty much I wanted to say. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you like this video and if you feel that I have informed you about a really fun, exciting and affordable and amazing subscription box in India, then please click on the like button and give it some love. I will see you guys soon. Until next time, take care. Bye.